There you go, on your toes, on your toes. Tight defense. Force them to have those low blows. Punch, punch. Come on, go in, bang. Yeah, that's you right there. Timing, timing, timing. Don't let them get just counters, no counters. Let him throw some jab. There you go. He's just trying to beat you to the punch. Hand up, hand up. He's pretty new. I mean, like real new. His Back out, back out. Couple of those and get back. Do it and then come back and do it again. Yeah, feet across. Feet across and constantly. Sit. Sit. Give him a second, give him a second, give him a second. You're crossing your feet, you're losing your balance.